You think you could just walk in here and talk like that?
I don't think, I know, because I'm better than you. You had your shot and you blew it. Now it's my time.
Uh-oh. You hear that?
What's happening?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Big
Oh, there he is! Look at him running! The whole place just shifted. Looks like he didn't quite make it. He's trying though. Look at him go. Look at him running. Let's see if he gets there. There he goes. He's really
Take that back! Take that back!
He's barking at you, man.
I think he means it.
Oh, no way!
He's really saying it.
Take that back!
You see that? Unreal.